We got the 2024 Toyota Tundra. What we did today, guys, a muffler delete. We removed the muffler, gonna open up the sound a little bit, make it more aggressive. This is a V6 3.5 liter twin turbo. Right here where the muffler was, guys, this is where we did most of the work. As you can see, that big ass muffler right on the floor. That thing is so restricting, guys. From the catalytic converters all the way back, this is where the muffler was that we removed. The piping goes over the axle. Also right here, it looks like a little resonator is there. I don't think it does too much for the sound. You could remove it, that could be the next step, but you'll probably get like a 5% difference. He didn't want to touch the tip. You could always replace it in the future. But guys, this is gonna give it a nice different sound. It's gonna make it sound like a truck should. You know what I mean? Louder, deeper. It's not gonna be quiet while you're just cruising, no one's looking at you. You gotta make a statement, bling blow. So we're gonna bring it down, let you guys hear it. Guys, check out the links, they're all below. If you want any of these products that you see in these videos, go to Gexhaust.com. We could ship them straight to your door. I want you guys to tell me how this truck sounds. We're gonna bring it down, let you hear it. Let me know. Guys, so I'm holding a couple tip options right here. This is a pretty common, pretty popular one. I think this looks really good. This is matte black, slash cut, and powder coated, all right? So this gives it a different clean look. Check this out. Right out the side like that, something like that. It could be a little bit more in, but I can't show you exactly because the stock tip is in the way. And then we're gonna go polished chrome, this big boy. If you wanna make a statement, this is more for diesel trucks and stuff, but just to give you an example, this is more to like make a statement, you know what I mean? You could have it here at an angle if that's your thing. We could run it through the truck bed and pop it up here, whatever you want. We also have other smaller tips, guys. Again, these are available at Gexhaust.com.